Hugging Face has done something that's much needed. It's called the AI App Directory Spaces. Think of it as the App Store for apps. But what makes it special is that Hugging Face has a good name. There's an element of trust that what you're getting there is the legit stuff. All these open source projects that people have been working on and uploading directly onto Hugging Face feels like you're getting to try things directly from the source without necessarily like trying to find the website. DeepSeek, the new one, Janus Pro 7B, 3 days old. Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 max demo. For now, these type of versions of the models are way too big to run on a regular machine that the average person has at home. Now you can just hop on and try out anything and everything that's been released out there, provided those people that have made that stuff have obviously uploaded onto Hugging Face. Why is this a big deal? Because people buy into things that are beautiful. If you're not coding, you don't look at code and feel the same warm, fuzzy feelings that some coders feel when they look at code. And everything that comes with that, like obscure links in the alleyways of the internet. In the same way that Apple introduced the ability to shop for and load apps onto the phone after you've bought the phone. And most importantly, Apple creating standards for how your app developer person is going to be presented to someone else so they can say, let me give this a try. Spaces is a place where you can create and host awesome machine learning apps. So Hugging Face has already brought together the people that are making these apps, and now with a beautiful, simple user interface, they're making it appealing for everyone else to say, I heard something about this Qwen 3D where I can create 3D images. Let me give it a try. Why not? Okay. Image to prompt. Nah. Let's just say text to image. Yeah, Knight Rider car. Will it? Generate shape and texture. 86. Says it's gonna take 86 seconds. So I'm doing two things here at the same time. I'm testing if it can pick up on what I mean by Knight Rider kit, aka if you know, you know, or it's just going to create something completely different but staying true. What I'm looking for is a little beam of light on the bonnet and the shape of the car, of course, two-door. Let's see. Oh, snap. I think it pretty much got it. I mean, this is kit with like, you know, modifications here, the modern version. Easy peasy. I don't need to download anything. I don't need to install anything. If I really like something, I can go even deeper. So this is happening right now. Who knows where things are going to be just a month from now, but this is now a place where you can keep up decently with the latest of what's going on with AI. Now you know. Subscribe for more if you're interested in more.